Hey you guys, Miss Judy here. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be my perm rod, my braid and curl, basically what I do to my hair when I'm not wearing it in a bun or some kind of protective style. The products that I'm going to use this time are going to be this right here. This is Dark and Lovely a la Natural Coconut and Moringa Oil. And it's a Lock It and Seal It cream for thirsty and dehydrated hair. I have this in my stash, my product junkie stash, and I need to use this up. And I also have this here, and this is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intense Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I use aloe vera juice. I'm not so sure I want to use this because this really smells bad to me. And I get a lot of people that say that they like aloe vera juice, and I bought it and I want to use it up, and it could be just the brand that I'm using, and the brand that I'm using, this is the brand I'm using. So I don't know if this is just the right aloe vera juice or the wrong aloe vera juice, but yeah. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this in my hair, and then put the moisturizer on top. The perm rods I'm using today are going to be this size. I like this size because it comes out really cute. They're small little spiral curls. You might need hair tie. You might need a comb for parting. The dryer I'm going to be using today is the Golden Hot Soft Cap Dryer. I got that at Sally's. I'm also going to use some Jamaican Black Castor Oil on the ends because I don't like my ends to be dry, and I don't know. So I might not put much of this on, but for sure I put it on when I take my braids out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started in this video. So my hair's damp. I'm gonna take some of this moisturizer, which smells really good to me. I love Garnier Fructis. So I'm going to take this right here, just a smidgen, because I really need to use this up, and I'm going to focus it on my ends. Now if my hair starts to dry out, I will spray some water or aloe vera juice. Now, once I've put the moisturizer in my hair, I'm going to run my fingers through my hair and make sure there's no knots. Now, I kind of did this already, so there shouldn't be much knots in my hair. Now, I will get shedded hair because whenever I detangle my hair, I never get all the shedded hair out. So I'm always getting shedded hair out constantly. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to section my hair off for the braids and then smooth out my hair again. And you want your hair to be smooth because it makes the curls look nicer, especially since you're not using comb or brush. I've used my fingers for everything, so I try to make sure that everything looks really nice and smooth. So I'm going to smooth this out. And I have extra product, so I'm just going to put that up at the top of my hair. I'm going to take the perm rod and I'm going to lay the hair flat on the perm rod. I'm sorry. I'm going to lay the hair flat on the perm rod. And the product is what keeps my hair on the perm rod. So I'll be back when I get to the front of my hair so I can show you like basically how I part my hair in the front. And I will be back once all of the back is done. Okay, so I'm at the front of my hair and I did all of my hair in the back the same way I did the first two perm rods. So I am doing 4 braids in the front, and I'm doing them where I usually would part my hair. So I'll part my hair here, down the middle, and down on the side. So I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. That's not perfect, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I proceed to put some aloe vera juice because my hair is dry right now. It's kind of dry. So I'm putting some aloe vera juice in that. And then I'm putting the moisturizer on my hair. And I'm just running my fingers through my hair and trying to get out any tangles that I have in my hair. And pulling out any shedded hair that I'm getting in my hands as well. Now I do have some product in my hair on this side because I've been like transferring product. So I'm not going to put as much product in my hair on this section of my hair since it's getting to the end. And as you can see, there's like product that is already in my hair on this side. So I'm just going to put a little bit of product, not a lot. This last section, I'm not going to put any more moisturizer in there because it has a lot of moisturizer on it already. And I've been basically transferring, so I don't need any moisturizer in this section. Alright, so this is all the hair that I had come out through styling and through detangling of my hair, which is pretty good. I mean, I don't really pull out a lot of hair, so I still probably have a lot of shedded hair in my hair right now. I'm going to send it to the dryer for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Just depends on how dedicated I am to being under the dryer. And then the rest of the night I am going to sleep in a bonnet. I'm not going to take my hair out. It just helps my hair to dry completely in one night because I put so much product in my hair. So I just want to make sure that it dries overnight. So that's why I sit under the dryer for an hour and a half. But you don't have to. You can just simply do this overnight and your hair will be dry if you use less product in your hair. But you know me, I love product. So I will be back tomorrow and I will show you the takedown. Alright, so it is tomorrow. This is what my hair looks like. It is completely dry. So now I'm basically going to take out all the curls. Okay, so now that I've done that, I am going to take out each braid. And what I do is I spray a little bit of oil on the ends of the braid instead of spraying it on my hands or putting it on my fingertip. Okay, so my hair is super short, but it came out great. The combination that I used with the conditioner worked well. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate my hair and massage my scalp. And I'm not really going to fluff. I'm just trying to get the parts out of my hair. So that's really why I'm massaging it. But then I'm just going to go ahead and start separating the curls where they want to separate. So like here, and it wants to separate like here and here. So wherever it wants to separate, I'm just going to pull it apart. And I'm not going to pull all the curls apart because I want this to last. So I'm going to keep some of it in, but I want to pull it apart enough that it looks fuller than what it looks right now. Because right now it looks kind of thin. And that is because I kind of have thin to medium density hair. So it's not going to be like this full and luscious, thick, like afro. Alright, so that's the end of the video pretty much. I'll be back to show you exactly how I stretch this, because I kind of want it to hang a little bit longer because I feel like it's kind of short. And so I'm going to do the band method, and I'll show you exactly how I do the band method. You don't have to do the band method. You could just do the pineapple and have it all going up to the front like that, and then wear a nightcap. But this is basically how I'm just going to style and wear my hair for the day. I'm not playing it. I try not to because I don't want to disturb the curl, especially since it doesn't have any gel or mousse or anything in it to like hold the curl together. I don't want to play in it too much. Okay, so I have slept overnight in my bonnet and my 2 ponytail holders, and they stretch out my hair so it's a little bit longer, and I like it that way because it looks prettier. Not so much shrinkage. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. It is super curly and it is very full, and it has much more length in the curl. It hangs much lower because it was like up here or something like that. What I do to moisturize my hair is I use oil. You can use, this is like a mixture of jojoba oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil. Now you don't have to use that. You could use Jamaican black castor oil. It just depends on what you want in your hair. I want a lighter oil in my hair because I don't want it to be too heavy. Alright, so I'm going to simply spray my hand. Get it in my hand real good. Rub it on my hands so my hands are like fully saturated, and then I'm just going to rub my ends so my ends don't get dried out. They stay very moisturized. And I'm going to do this every day. I am not going to skip a day for that because I don't want my hair to get dried out. I hate dry ends because that means breakage. So I'm just going to continue to rub this in my hair. But otherwise, you guys, this is what I do to my hair when I do braid and curl. So I will see you beautiful people later. Peace and love.